धून इंटरनेशनल स्कूल जम्मू ने किंडर कार्निवल का आयोजन किया, जिसमें मुख्य अतिथि द्वारा दीप प्रज्वलित करके कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत की गई। इस मौके पर प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर विकेश कौर द्वारा आए अतिथियों का सम्मान किया गया। किंडर कार्निवल में नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों ने कई प्रकार के रंगारंग कार्यक्रम पेश किए और अपनी प्रस्तुतियों से सबको मंत्रमुग्ध कर दिया। बच्चों द्वारा पेश कार्यक्रम को देख पूरा हाउस तालियों से गूंज उठा। बाद में वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के साथ कार्यक्रम का समापन हुआ।
मैं आज आपके स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल की जगह
स्कूल का मत करे नहीं जाता, पढ़े नहीं जाता, सातों पढ़े नहीं जाता, सुबह उठ।
आइए देखते हैं पति की खिचड़ी को पत्नी का तड़का।
नहीं भूख देगा पत्नी तो मैं बोला जो मुझे छोड़कर।
इनको कुछ भी बोलो, ये बहुत ही मजे से करते हैं। तो
2000 रुपए 6% ब्याज पे दिए हैं। Today all together will take on a colorful journey across India.
I'm from Alapi, I speak Malay. I speak Tamil.
I'm just like you. My name is Vidya.
Yet another milestone in our school's journey. At the outset, on behalf of the chairman, Mr. G.N. Tantri, my staff and
Blissful greetings everyone. I am Dr. Vikesh Kaur, Principal Doon International School Jammu and President Jammu Sahodaya Schools Complex. So today is a very cheerful and a moment of elation for all of us as we are celebrating our 8th Kinder Carnival, which is themed as the Indian melange, Bhartiyata Ka Adbhut Sangam. It's also a ceremony of the recognition and accomplishments of our young blooming buds. Basically, our children, the kindergarten children, they have really prepared a fantabulous program for all the parents, and it's about the encapsulating the theme of the cultural vibrance of India. And at the outset, I would like to congratulate all the parents of kindergarten who have really supported us and cooperated with us and entrusted us with such a wonderful set of children. Celebrating these days does not, because as per NEP 2020, education is not only the academic excellence, rather it is the amalgamation of the skills of the children as well as the academic excellence, and their talents have to be identified and displayed in front of the parents or other audience. So I am so really proud of all my kindergarten students who have really displayed such a wonderful program in front of the parents. I'm thankful to the parents of these children as well as all the entire faculty of Doon International School and the management who have really been a guiding spirit in behind everything. And once again, congratulations to the parents, my students, for this achievement, as we have completed 10 years since our inception in 2015, and it's really a great occasion to be celebrated today. And from 138 students, we have completed a strength of 2300, which is really a great occasion of celebration. Once again, congratulations to the entire DIS fraternity, my staff, students, and the parents who have supported us always. Thank you so very much.
जम्मू कश्मीर की खबरों के लिए जुड़े रहिए JK अपडेट के साथ।